To enable and use voice typing in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on the System and Update options and then navigate to the keyboard and input method. Go to Manage Keyboards next and then select the Gboard. Now if we scroll down, there's the voice typing. Make sure that this option is active. You can also activate faster voice typing. This will download the dictation on your phone so you can voice type faster and more accurately, and it's also available even if you go offline. Now to actually use it, let's open our keyboard. Then you can always see the microphone right here. Click on the microphone button. Make sure to allow the permission and then basically start speaking. That way your words should turn into the text in a moment. So let's wait a moment until it refreshes. And now it should work. So I'm talking, let's see if it changes to words. And it does. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.